How to use circle to search on your Pixel 9 Pro, Pixel 9 Pro XL, Pixel 9 Pro Fold. Tap and hold the home button to use circle to search. If you can't find it, go to settings, scroll down up to system, tap on a system, tap on a navigation mode. Now make sure to toggle on circle to search option on your Pixel series to use it. Now open any photo you want to find the related product. Here we select this photo. Now tap and hold the home button. Now you can see now round circle the image or product and you can find the related product like infotainment system. Here you can see different infotainment system we circle on my device. So quite useful feature to quickly find the related product on your device. Again, go to settings, find any photo, long press the home button and circle the image or product and you can easily find the related searches. That's it. If you like it, share it.